Oh my gosh, I think I live a charmed life. I've come back down to Victoria because I really don't know Victoria and I want to see more of it. And I found myself not far out of Rutherglen in a private camp, and I have it all to myself. So it's actually a working farm, I believe, and they own all the fields over there. And they also do flour, so I'm hoping that I get to see how they do that. I think I am definitely going to light a fire in their fire pit and sit with my friend and have a relaxing dinner / afternoon. And then tomorrow I can explore all of this paddock over here, but I'm also able to go over the fence, and this is Crown land and anybody can explore it. There's a creek down there, there's an old bridge apparently, and there's an old railway. Well, you can't really see the sun go down, but definitely the sky is starting to put on a show, which is one of my favourite things. I have climbed over this little fence with permission. We'll just go along and see what we can see. Here we go over the old railway bridge. It's slightly raining now, but it makes it kind of magical. You do have to watch where you're walking because it still has all the odd sleepers. Makes it a bit uneven. Across the bridge with the intention of walking down here and looking under the bridge, which I will. But look at the old tennis court. One lone wallaby down on the creek bed, so I thought everything was quiet. I've come into the farmer's field and there are kangaroos everywhere. Unlike in Canberra where they don't care, they're very timid and run away very quickly. I've come to the end. This is as far as I'm going to go, mainly because I don't want to get wet, but it's really pretty. Just popped into the information centre. They gave me a map of the national park. He suggested that I come out to Magenta Mines, which is not far from Chiltern, and that's the information centre that I went to. She said it's very popular, but it is a Monday and the weather hasn't been great. It really is a very, very short walk. I thought I was in for a bushwalk. I brought my backpack. The car's just here, and here's the open cut mine. And you can just see it just goes straight down. And they used to use a horse-powered haulage to bring everything up and down. Considering this was in the 1800s, that would have been a mammoth task. Old mine workings extended to the depth of nearly 100 metres. The hole in front of you is a stoop, which is a cavity left behind after a quartz reef has been mined. Well, the information centre didn't say anything about it, but when they gave me the map, it said that there was an indigo goldfield cemetery in the park. It's been a bit tricky finding it. It's taken me quite a bit, to be honest. And I think this is it. The Chiltern Pioneers Cemetery. Or, no, that says that. This says the Indigo Goldfields Cemetery. I can't see really anything, but there's a slight track, so I'm going to follow that. If I find anything, I'll let you know. Wow, look at that. It's amazing. It's cool today, like really cool, under 10 degrees. I mean, somebody's swimming up there, but the water looks amazing. They found so much gold. I think nearly 2,000 ounces of gold was extracted from this pool, and they say that the miners used to divert the water, so that'd be an engineering feat in itself. Absolutely amazing. I wonder how he got down there. I'll have to go and have a look. And I was just standing up there. But gosh, if you got caught in that, you're a goner. Well, I'm here at the mill. This morning I could come up at 10 o'clock. So they have a family farm that organically grows wheat, and then it's brought here, and through two stones grinding it, they process the wheat, package it up, and they send it out. Anybody can buy it online, but they've also got some bakeries and restaurants and suppliers, and they sell at their local markets. But it was really interesting to see the difference between the grains going in, how they originally come out between the stones, then it goes into a sifter and they can make different grades of fine white flour. And Jip the dog sits on guard. I'm back in the national park today, and I've come to this walk. Can't go down to the viewing platform to see the Aboriginal art. It's a structural engineering problem and it's closed, but there is a walk that asks you just to wander. I've just come through there with this boulder over the top. And then look at the big split. And then this bit's split off. And it just looks like it's hanging on. And you can see another one up there just waiting to topple. Well, I've come to the end of the walk because the boardwalk is all padlocked because it's structurally unsound. Looks like I have to walk back the way I come. But it was pretty, and it's just a shame we can't continue on the loop. I have waited and waited and done other things all day, hoping for this cloud to burn off. But I am at the Mount Pilot Summit Walk, and I feel like it's just not going to get any better. I fully understand why I'm on my own at this one, because I don't think there's going to be a view, but I'm going to walk it anyway. And it just feels lovely here. And it's only a 300-metre walk. Look at this rock that I'm standing on. This is it. I'm all packed up. I've had a great 3 nights here and exploring the area, and all it's done is add more things that I need to come back and do. And I definitely need to come back with family and friends and do the wineries. I think it would be much more fun. Lots of locals told me to go to the Sharyn winery and try it, that it's really good. And I didn't, because I wanted to save it for when I was with people and I can taste. Now, on my way out, as I drive past the mill, I'm going to stop. I placed an order last night online, and this morning I walked up and watched them milk their cow and look after the sheep, and quite a few baby lambs running around. It's been a really nice experience. You have to be fully sufficient. There's no toilet. There's just a hammock over there and a fireplace. And if you are coming, make sure you bring your tennis equipment, because that old tennis court, I asked them, you can just go on and play when you like to. It's old and it's, but great fun, I would think. Anyhow, this is it. I will see you on the other side.